Hey guys, this is a HAUTMEC utility knife multi-tool. So it is a utility knife that locks in a couple positions. And this thing is chunky. Look at the size of this thing. It's a big boy. In the back, you got a little extra blade storage, which is nice. And storage for a couple extra bits here, because there's a Phillips head bit or a flathead bit on a little driver. So that's a 1/4-inch driver with a little magnetic retention inside, little belt clip. There you go, the HAUTMEC multi-tool utility knife.